I'm here with my friend Anita, who I've persuaded to tell us all about these lovely bags that she makes from Orphan Blocks. They are gorgeous.
Thank you.
And I mean, this is signature you because it's clearly bright.
Yes, everything I do is bright.
And this one, we've got...
Yeah, that's very much for, I quite often give them away as gifts. You know, when you go to somebody's house, instead of taking cake or flowers, I'll take them a bag. And then it is a bag that they can use. They don't have to put it away or keep it for special.
Well, I was going to say, yes, it's not too special that they won't use it, hopefully.
Yeah.
But another Orphan Block here.
Yes.
And oh, the fabric that's behind us, maybe.
Yeah.
A bit of that left.
Yeah, that
and one of the spools.
Yeah, the spools were quite small on there, so I used the edging of this quilt